English. I love America. I love America. Are you America?
Hindi. Filipino ako.
Yeah, you are English.
Filipino ako. Taga-Pilipinas ako.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Ano?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Are you English?
Hindi.
No. You are United States.
Nakatira ako sa Pilipinas.
You are a United States. You must be English.
Hindi. Hindi ako nakakaintindi ng English.
Oh my God. 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 Oh my God.
Grabe.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Ay.
Bakit ka ganyan?
Ay.
What the fuck? Yo, kumusta kayo? Kumusta kayo?
Hi.
Kumusta kayo? Hello.
You're very handsome.
Oh, salamat. Ikaw din.
Oh, so you know how to speak Tagalog?
Konti lang, konti lang.
Like, I bet that you have really big biceps. So yeah.
I said, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
I don't know. Wala nga naman. Wala nga naman.
Your physique is really hot.
Ah, salamat, salamat.
You know how to speak Bisaya?
Nagtuon ko og Bisaya.
Really? So you want to impress Filipinas? I can be your tutor for free.
Huh? What do you mean by that?
Buang.
Oh, for real. I'm your tutor. You want me to be your tutor?
Oh, sige.
Yeah, I can
Sige.
do it.
Sige na.
On the house.
Okay lang ako. Okay lang.
Do you know, gite? Do you know the word gite?
Gite. Unsang pasabot sa gite?
Do you know the word luso?
Luso? Unsang pasabot sa luso? Luso.
How about kanaulok?
Kanaulok?
Hindi.
Kanaulok.
So, gite and ulok is dick.
These nuts. Got it.
Like, we have
Oh.
different terms here.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah, very
salamat.
interesting.
Salamat
Yeah.
sa tulong mo. Hey, kumusta?
Hello.
Kumusta? Ano? Kumusta?
Ano? Hala, Pinoy ka?
Filipino ako?
Oh, or half?
Yeah, half Filipino ako.
We?
We?
Ay, okay. Well,
Oh.
we?
Yes.
Akala ko ano?
Akala mo ano?
Akala ko hindi ka Pinoy.
Lahat ng mga tao, they think I'm Arabic or like Hispanic, di ba?
Oo. Yeah.
Yun.
Wait. Nag-stream ka?
Ha?
Nag-stream ka?
Siguro, pero like...
Ay, ganun ba?
Well, meron
Okay,
meron akong YouTube, pero like, hindi ako sikat. I'm just like, you know.
Drop it. Ano ba tawag yun?
My YouTube is embarrassing. It's like bad. Pangit yung vlog ko.
It's okay. Diyan nag-start lahat.
Oh, sige. Taga saan ka?
Ilang taon ka na, kuya?
Guess.
Taga Davao.
Taga Davao. Oh, Bisaya
Yes.
ka pala. Maayong buntag.
Bisaya ko.
Maayong buntag.
What? Maayong buntag.
Yeah. Yes.
Ilang taon ka na, kuya? Mga 26? Ganun.
Yeah, 26. 26 na ako.
Oh? So mas matanda.
Eh, ikaw, pila imong edad?
Oh!
Oh!
Gusto ko, ano yan? Are you trying to be a, ano tawag yan, polyglot?
Oo, sinusubukan
Yeah.
ko.
Ay, okay, cool.
Yeah, so
Official
nagtuon ko og Bisaya para magpa-impress sa mga Pilipino
Uy,
sa akong YouTube.
mao ba?
Mao ba? Yeah, talaga.
Alam mo yung call? Do you know what call
Like,
is?
it's kind of like uncle, di ba? Like tito, sort of. Like,
Yeah.
ayaw call. Bato pa ko call, di ba? You know, like you're rejecting somebody, di ba? Like,
Ay, okay, yeah, oo. Ginagamit nila yan. Pag, yung parang tipong hinaharas, parang ganun. Parang, uy, kuya, wag po. Parang ganun. Parang ganun siya.
yeah. So,
Yeah.
nagtuon ko og Bisaya, like also. So, well, I'm learning like Cebuano, di ba? Like, Cebuano, Bisaya. Yeah. Nga nang nag-Omay TV ka?
Kay board ko.
Kay bored. Because you're bored? Pila imong edad?
23.
23. Unsa imong pangalan?
Yeah. Pauline.
Pauline. Pauline.
Sa imong pangalan, call?
Brandon.
Brandon.
Brandon ang akong ngalan.
Nice to meet you, call.
Nice to meet you, bata.
Bro, what's up?
Yo, kumusta kayo?
Hey, what's up?
Where you from?
Kumusta? Taga Pilipinas ako.
There you go.
Ha?
I thought you were
Foreigner.
Yeah, foreigner.
Yeah, foreigner ako. Joke lang yan.
Saan ka sa Pilipinas?
Well, taga US ako. Lumaki ako dito sa US, pero taga Pampanga yung nanay ko.
You're a film.
You're
Film.
half.
Yes.
Filipino.
Yes. Taga saan kayo?
From Davao, Philippines.
Davao.
Nako, Diara.
Maayong gabi.
Bye.
Ah,
Nice to
nice to meet you too.
Let's take a picture.
Ah,
Di, kasi you're my number one fan.
number one fan. Kasi film.
Yeah. Hey.
Oh my gosh, they disconnected, bro. Yo, pare. Kumusta?
Uy,
Kumusta, pare?
nagtatagalog ka?
Nagtatagalog ako, di ba?
Did we just become best friends? Yup!
Kasaan ka, pre?
Taga US ako. Eh, ikaw?
Tututo ko lang magtagalog.
Konti lang. Hindi pa ako fluent.
Ah,
Hindi pa ako fluent, pero sinusubukan ko. Taga saan ka sa Pilipinas? Taga saan ka sa Pilipinas?
Laguna.
Laguna. Laguna. Babalik ako sa Pilipinas this July.
Sige, bigay mo IG mo, baka bumalik ka eh.
Sige, wait lang.
Gala tayo dun.
Mag-vlog ako doon sa Pampanga. Baka like Boracay, Cebu. Next this year.
Ooh.
I'll try to vlog.
I support you.
Salamat, pre.
I got you, homie!
Kumusta? Kamusta?
Tagalog.
Ha?
And your hat is so Filipino coded.
Yeah. Filipino ko. Taga saan ka sa Pilipinas?
Oh my God, you're fluent.
No.
I'm from Mindanao.
Mindanao. Oh my goodness. So it's alas 3 din ha?
Yeah, it's alas 3 dinhi.
Yeah, sa umaga sa buntag.
Sa buntag.
Yeah, sa buntag. Yes. Unsa imong pangalan?
Pangilin Jane,
Brandon ang akong ngalan.
Brandon.
Yeah, Brandon, yeah. Yes. Pila imong edad?
Tagnaa.
You look young.
I get that a lot.
Maybe you're actually like 19.
Yeah. I'm actually 20.
20?
So, yeah.
Oh, so nag-aaral ka ba?
Nag-aaral pa ako.
Ano sa imong kurso?
Yes.
Guess again?
Yeah.
Guess lahat.
It's one of this way.
Is it a typical Filipina thing like nursing?
Yeah.
It is nursing.
Yeah.
See?
Typical and common.
Typical, diba? I knew it. Bright ko, Jude. Bright ko, Jude. Oy.
Sorry nga. Ulit-ulit na naman eh.
Pero ngayon, wala ka sa Pinas.
Yeah, wala.
Yeah, because the lighting is good. So yeah, we definitely not in the Philippines.
Yeah, sa US. Yes, sa US. Sa US ngayon. Ngayon. Karon. Sa US karon. Na ako sa US karon. Yes.
Kasi oras sa US karon.
Alas 2 ng hapon. Alas 2 sa hapon. Oh my goodness, hello. Kumusta? Mabuti din ako.
Oh my God! Bakit? Bakit ka marunong mag-Tagalog?
Matalino ako.
Wow!
Ang galing.
Ang galing-galing naman. Seriously.
Ha?
Paano?
Nag-aaral ako ng Tagalog.
Bakit? Why?
Half Filipino ako.
I see.
So I've been learning na a little over a year.
So alam mo na lahat.
Hindi pa ako fluent. Konti
It's
lang.
okay. Diba? Marunong ka mag-Tagalog.
Bisaya ka pala?
Yes, I am Bisaya.
Saan sa Visayas? Taga-asa ka?
I'm not from Visayas, but I'm from... Pero yung
Wait, saan?
Mindanao.
Mindanao. Oh, yeah. Pero like, kablo ka mo story og Bisaya, di ba?
Yes, kasi Bisaya kami.
Yeah, sakto.
Hala, kabalo mo ka Bisaya?
Nagtuon kupod og Bisaya. Pero wala ko kasabot, you know?
Sabot man.
Dili ko kabalo musulti og Bisaya.
Gamay lang?
Yeah, gamay ra.
Okay. Like, imong mama ang Bisaya. Ano tayo mong mama? Filipino?
Akong mama kay Kapampangan. Like that, di ba?
Tama yun. Pero marunong ka din Kapampangan?
Kapampangan? Yeah. Gamay ra.
Ano yung mas mahirap sa mga language na natutunan mo?
Kapampangan kasi walang resources sa internet, di ba?
Yeah.
Maraming resources for Tagalog at Bisaya. Pero konti lang ng resources for Kapampangan. So, mas mahirap sa Kapampangan.
Pero nagtatagalog ka sa bahay niyo?
Are we speaking Tagalog sa bahay namin?
Yes.
Hindi.
No.
English lang. Lumaki ako dito, nag-English lang na walang Tagalog. So, actually, last year, I just started learning Tagalog kasi like, hindi ko marunong mag-Tagalog, like at all. I thought Tagalog was the only language in the Philippines last year.
Oh.
Pero ngayon, nagsasalita ako ng konting Tagalog, Kapampangan at Bisaya. Only a little over a year I'm studying, di ba? Matalino ako. Charot.
Hi!
Kumusta kayo?
You're so handsome naman.
Salamat.
Oh, hello. Are you speaking Tagalog? Are you speaking Tagalog?
Konti lang.
Kuya, anong name mo sa Facebook?
Secret.
Saan ka nakatira, kuya?
Sa US.
US. USA.
Kayo. Saan kayo?
Philippines.
nakatira?
Philippines.
Alam ko na.
Ano pangalan mo, kuya?
Brandon.
Brandon. Ay, nice name. Nice name.
Salamat.
Finally!
All right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like and subscribe button. Let me know in the comment section what you guys thought about it, where I can improve, and what you'd like to see. But going forward, I will be posting my vlog from the Philippines. I'm gonna be honest, it did not turn out good at all. For those that I've already mentioned that to, you already know it's not gonna be so good. But that's what happens when you fail to prepare. When you fail to prepare, you prepare to fail. Remember that, guys. So you guys are gonna see me be extremely cringe, awkward on camera, and just barely holding the camera down here. I don't even want to like hold it up, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm sure you guys can relate to how weird that would feel recording yourself, because it does not feel natural to hold the camera up. I feel awkward holding this camera talking to myself right now, let alone having a ton of other people or even one other person near me in my vicinity, you know? So yeah, this year is just really about pushing our comfort zone, because the best version of yourself is on the opposite side of your comfort zone and all that hard work you've been avoiding. And I've been avoiding pushing myself out of my comfort zone for far too long. Avoiding all that hard work I know I need to be doing that is going to get me to the destination that I'm going towards. And yeah, I've been pushing myself with a lot of things, like singing karaoke before the new year with my family. And I've never have singing karaoke in my life because I'm not a good singer and I've always been afraid to. But you know, I started pushing myself to do that. And believe it or not, the more you start singing, you realize like, oh, everyone else isn't so good. They're doing it. Like, screw it. Like, fuck it. Like, actually, I'm starting to hog the mic, you know? I'm like, give me that mic real quick, you know? So you start to want to kind of sing more. Even the Omi TV videos, every single time I go to talk to somebody, or every time I go on Omi TV, I get nervous. I get this pit in my stomach. I get this social anxiety, you know, every single time. Even if it doesn't look like it, when I'm recording these videos, I have this social anxiety every single time, and I'm scared. So like, I'm hyping myself up before I go on there, usually sometimes when I'm really trying to bring some serious content, and I'm drinking some coffee. And as you build momentum and you're meeting these people, and a lot of times you will get good reactions and just interactions in general, meet some good people, it then builds momentum, and you're like, okay, let me get to this next person, you know? So yeah, it's all about building momentum, pushing yourself out of your comfort zone, because it is never as scary as it looks. I heard a quote recently. The guy said, "Fear is a mile wide, but an inch deep." And what you're afraid of always seems like this huge thing. And if you feel like if you step in it, you're gonna end up drowning, but in reality, it's just an inch deep. And half the things you imagine that are gonna happen never end up happening anyway. And even if the worst case scenario happens, you have always came out and survived, you know? Regardless of the opinion of others or how miserably you failed, you've always came out the other side and eventually got through it and got to where you are now, you know? So I'm gonna have to really step it up the rest of this year. And yeah, I guess with that being said, I will see you guys in the next vlog. I hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna try to turn shit into something beautiful, you know what I mean? It's not gonna turn out great, but it's gonna be a very personal vlog, just whatever. And anything I make from these vlogs going forward till I'm in the Philippines, I vow to use all that towards the trip, everything I need for that trip, giving money to people in the Philippines. I want most of that money to be going to whoever I'm tipping, you know, just giving away to people. So I don't even want that money for myself. So yeah, aside from that, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.